Today let's have a review of this mini humidifier. This humidifier also has night, have a built-in battery, so we can charge it. So we can either one use this battery or we can have a power input. So it's very simple. You have two buttons. This one is for the night. Have a few levels of the brightness for the night. And this one is for humidifier. And we press again. Then this mist go from continuously to intermittent. Press again to shut it down. So okay, this is night, and they have the humidifier. It's interesting is when we have a small room, not that big, for baby, for example, and we don't need that strong a big humidifier, but this is a small one. You can see the cool mist. So this is good enough to increase the humidity, not that much, but it works. Also for plant, you just need to increase some humidity, so this works. The function of this humidifier, why it's so small? Because it has this one, is what we call piezoelectric ceramics. You know this one. So when they have the electricity to this ceramics, so it will generate the ultrasonic wave. So it vibrates. Then open this. So this is cotton, so it can absorb the water. Then all the way goes through to the ceramics here. Well, and we have a battery built inside, so we have the power supply to the ceramics. It vibrates and generates the ultrasonic. And here we have the mist for function of the humidifier.